Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Revise UPSC CSE 2026. In this video, we are doing a quick revise but a conceptual revision of NCERT Class 6 Geography Chapter 2 Ocean and Continent, which is extremely important for UPSC, PSC or other competitive exams. In this chapter, we will understand how ocean and continents were formed, the 5 major oceans in the world, the 7 continents, islands and the Indian island groups, and the importance of the ocean life. So let's begin with the formation of the ocean and the continents. Over 4.6 billion years ago, the Earth was a hot molten planet. Over millions of years, the outer surface cooled and formed a solid crust. According to the continental drift theory proposed by Alfred Wegener, all the land masses on the Earth was once joined together in a single supercontinent called Pangaea. So Pangaea was surrounded by a huge ocean known as Panthalassa. Later, due to movement of the tectonic plates, Pangaea began to break apart and it divided into two large land masses. One is Laurasia in the north and the Gondwana land in the south. Over millions of years, these landmasses drifted farther apart and formed the present-day continents and oceans. This process is still continuing today because the Earth crust is divided into tectonic plates that move slowly over the mantle. Because of these plate movements, we see events like earthquakes, volcano, formation of mountains, and the changes in the ocean basins. So now let's look at the 5 major oceans of the world. The Earth is often called as a blue planet because nearly 71% of its surface is covered by water. Most of it's found in ocean. And the 5 major oceans are, one is Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean in the world. It covers nearly 1/3 of the Earth's surface. Then is Atlantic Ocean, the second largest ocean located between the America and the Europe, Africa. And Indian Ocean, the third largest ocean located mostly in the southern hemisphere. India lies to the north of this ocean, which is why it's called as Indian Ocean. And the fourth one is Southern Ocean, surrounded the continent of Antarctica. Then there is Arctic Ocean, the smallest and the shallowest ocean located around the North Pole. So these are the importance of the important oceans, and oceans are extremely important for life on Earth. They produce more than 50% of the Earth oxygen through marine plants and phytoplanktons. They help in regulate global climate and temperature. Oceans support marine biodiversity. They are essential for global trade and navigation, and they provide food and livelihood for millions of people through fishing and marine resources. Because of their importance, June 8 is even celebrated as a World Ocean Day. Let us now understand the continent of the world. A continent is a large continuous landmass. There are 7 continents in the Earth. Asia, the largest and most populous continent. Then there is Africa, known for its rich biodiversity and natural resources. Then there is North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica, the coldest continent, and the Australia, the smallest one. Asia and Europe together are sometimes referred as Eurasia. Each continent has a different climate, landscapes, and ecosystem and culture. For example, Africa has a large deserts like Sahara Desert. Asia even contains Himalayan mountain ranges. Antarctica is covered with ice sheets. An interesting fact is that the 5 Olympic rings represent the 5 inhabited continents: Africa, America, Asia, Europe, and Australia. Antarctica is excluded because it's not had any permanent population. And then another important thing about the ocean and the marine life is that islands. So island life and the Indian islands. Now let's talk about the islands. An island is a piece of a land that is surrounded by water on all sides. The largest island in the world is Greenland. The India has around 1,300 islands, mainly divided into 2 major groups. One is Andaman Nicobar Islands, then other is Lakshadweep Islands. So when we take an example of an Andaman Nicobar Islands, they were located in Bay of Bengal. These islands are mostly volcanic origin, are known for their rich tropical forest and the biodiversity. The famous Barren Island, the India's only active volcano, is located in the next type of islands are Lakshadweep Islands. They were located in Arabian Sea. These islands are mainly coral islands formed from the remains of the marine organism like coral polyps. These islands are important for marine biodiversity, tourism, fishing, and protecting the coral reefs of ecosystem. The island ecosystem are extremely delicate and need protection because they support unique marine flora and faunas. Then next we about to learn about the ocean and the life on earth. Ocean plays a major role in sustaining the life on earth. They are responsible for the water cycle, oxygen cycle, supporting marine plants and animals, and facilitating global trade and transportation, and providing foods and livelihood for millions of people. Because of this, the oceans are also known as the lungs of the planets. So this was a quick revision for NCRT Class 6 Geography, Ocean and the Continents, an important topic for UPSC and PSC preparations. If you found this revision helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Quick Revise UPSC CSE 2026 for more concept-based revision classes. See you in next video.